Live Karate is a great initiative started by Whispering Palms, and I'm really proud to be a part of this society who thinks about the convenience of its members.
And I'm a working woman, and right from the beginning, commuting to station was a big problem.
Commuting from Whispering Palms to station is really a big task.
Actually, reaching office on time was a major concern because you know how these rickshawalas are.
Getting rickshawala,
They would never fly. I would always lose the temper on them, and the entire day would start on a negative note.
Earlier I used to take the car, drive it alone to my office, which was a real waste on the fossil fuels.
Whispering Palms has taken up a very nice initiative.
we have started this Live Karate activity.
The society members formed a unique initiative called Lift Karate, under which we started giving lifts to all the people working nearby our offices.
You just need to ping up on the group. Anybody and everybody is available over there. They can pick you up and they can just drop you to the destination point.
And I think it's a great initiative taken by members of our society.
So today this initiative has helped me to reach office on time, which is very important.
I would just like to quote a very small incident which happened with me. I had a small fracture in my hand, because of which I was not able to board train. Vilas Bhaiya recommended me that Sharon, why don't you try with the Live Karate group, and it was really indeed a very nice experience after that.
Most importantly, as a woman, I feel very safe to travel with the members of Live Karate because I know them personally.
As part of the due diligence, women's security is one of the utmost thing for us.
My very first Live Karate experience was wonderful, and I always had a very safe and very comfortable journey.
We also give the opportunity for other members who would like to be part of this group. So any new member who want to be added in this group, so we make sure that people who send the request to us are genuine people. As part of the due diligence, what we do is that we request them to send out an email through their official email ID. So once we get those requests, then we just add them into our WhatsApp group.
I really thank Live Karate, all the organizers and admin and everyone who have started this Live Karate group.
Thumbs up to Live Karate, and I think all the societies should replicate this particular initiative.
And what we are planning to do with our initiative is that if this is replicated in other parts of the city as well as other parts of the country wherein carpooling is necessity right now with the pollution thing. So this is again a medium, our way of saying and giving back to the society.
This initiative is unique not only in the fact that it saves petrol and fuel, and it also has a good camaraderie amongst the society members. So we get to know each other, and हमारा सफर हंसते हंसते कट जाता है.
Again, हम चले सब चले.